Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to unlock ships in Space Shooter Galaxy Attack. In Space Shooter Galaxy Attack, unlocking ships is basically the game's way of saying yes, you can have cool stuff, but only after you've survived my levels first. I usually start by checking the ship selection screen because each ship clearly shows what you need to unlock it, which saves you from guessing and rage playing the wrong stage for an hour. Some ships are tied to campaign progression, so you see requirements like clearing level 2, 1, or 4 1 on normal difficulty. And once you beat those stages, the ships unlock automatically. Other ships are a bit more dramatic. They're locked behind events, which means you either wait for limited time events to return or just stare at the locked icon like it personally betrayed you. There are also ships you can get through ads or in game currency, depending on what game currently offers, and those usually show the requirements directly on the unlock screen. I've personally found that checking the upgrade ship menu regularly helps because the game likes to quietly update availability without telling you much. In the end, unlocking ships is a mix of progression, patience, and occasionally catching the right event at the right time before it disappears again. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.